Hi, my name is Jeanette Urena or Ureña in Spanish. My story, I'm gonna tell two stories quickly with the same procedures. So, 11 years ago, my ex-husband, he have, I guess, did an investment. It wasn't much, I think $1,000. But the next year, IRS was saying, no, you owe us $15,000. So I was very worried. But at that time we were separated. I was in another state, and he went back to Puerto Rico. He's in Puerto Rico, so I'm in another state. So I don't know what to do. People like, don't worry about it, forget about it. You're not together. I'm like, yes, but it's my name is in it because we're still married. So I called IRS. I went to the office. I called over there. Sorry. I called other offices and people and did more paperwork. And the end result was that we received the money they said that we owe, we received it all back. The problem was he didn't report his losses. So that was my gain, my win. And then after that, I said I don't want this to be repeated. So I applied for a divorce, and then I couldn't afford a divorce. So I was told I could do it myself. So I went to the court. I applied, and I did a lot of paperwork, and it was almost every day or a step of writing and typing and asking questions and who to ask and asking again and typing more paper. It lasted like almost 3 months. And at the end, I thought I had to do another paperwork, type another more information. The lady just said, the clerk said, you're done. Now you can go and get married. She said, I was finished. That was the point. And I was shocked, like, wow, like all this work and persistent. I had to persist because sometimes I didn't want to do it. Sometimes I'm like, oh, if I could just pay somebody. But I went and I walked and I did everything I had to do, and I asked questions. And sometimes I had to be tough with people because they assume like I know stuff and I didn't. And at the end, it paid off because it was done. I did it. And the reason I say this is for you to learn that sometimes you can do the work yourself. Sometimes you don't have to pay people, supposedly. And I'm sorry if I offend any professionals, because sometimes there is power in doing small steps and finding out and asking questions. And especially if there is no money for that. So step one, I asked questions. I kept asking different people, asking different places. I did the work. Number two, I did the work. I did every step that I needed to do. And I walked if I had to walk. And I persisted in that. And one more day, just do it one more day. And at the end, it was done. It didn't cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay? So that's what I wanted to teach. Bye-bye.